everybody, and welcome to my channel. Yes, you know it's time for Dollar Tree. I'm gonna say Friday now. I feel like you guys like the Dollar Tree if I post it on Friday, because the weekend usually you guys are out and about doing whatever you guys are doing, preparing for couponing. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna start doing Dollar Tree Fridays. Now, as you guys watched my last Dollar Tree haul, I was with my family. I was visiting my mom, and then as I was filming that video, the next day we went to a different Dollar Tree, and I went crazy because this is my favorite Dollar Tree. Every time I go and visit my family, and I'm like, was not expecting to get what I got, but I found a lot of stuff, and I'm excited to share with you guys what I got. Now, I did find some stuff previously for that when I was down here, but I didn't bring that to my parents' house, so yeah. But yeah, the Dollar Tree's been kind of slacking for a while. But, you know, that's fine. Now all the back to school stuff are starting, and I've seen a lot of people starting to do fall stuff, so I'm super excited to start setting up for fall. Not really ready for fall, but I like to set up for fall. So I found some items in a DIY that I want to work on, so I'm going to share with you guys everything that I got. So the first item I was super excited to find, and I didn't know what the heck this was stained glass patterns and prisms. So it's like a little book, and I'm like, what the heck is this? And so I was trying to figure it out when I was at the store, and it's like taped shut. But what it is, like, here's the cover, and what it is, it's like little, like, thin pieces of paper that you guys can color and make your own little stained glass. I thought that was super cute. And so I'm like, you know what, I want to get something like that, and then you can like put it, I have like some kind of ideas that I want to do with some of the patterns, so I thought that'd be kind of cute just to kind of relax. So I definitely got these stained glass, and my store had 3 of them, and I could have gotten some extra ones, but I thought, I don't know. And another item that I was super excited to find, and I was not expecting to find these, were these little glitter signs. Now, I've been starting to put these signs up in my bedroom, but eventually I'm going to get rid of this background, and I'm going to put a bookshelf here, and I want to kind of put some signs and stuff on the bookshelf so you guys don't have to see the boring old backdrop. You guys get to see other things, and then I can change it up, you know, for the holidays and all that stuff. But I ended up getting this. It's anything with glitter I like love automatically. So I ended up getting this pink flamingo. It says dream big. And there is glitter like all over here, but I do know that'll wipe off. And they had 4 different ones. I know they had like a, yeah, they had the unicorn one. And this one says believe in magic. And I thought these 2 were super cute, so I had to get these for like a little display that I have. But they had a couple other ones, but I wasn't a big fan of those. I just thought these really sticked out, and I really like the colors. I think they had a silver one, and then they had a blue one, or a different kind of green one, I think is what they had. So thought those would be super cute for my room. I found these graham crackers in Despicable Me. My son loves graham crackers, and he loves Despicable Me. Like, we're obsessed with the Minions. And these are a 6-pack, and they're just regular, you know, honey grams or snack grams, whatever. So I thought these would be a great thing for him to snack on while we're out and about, you know, just a little road trip stuff for here and there. So got those for him to eat. Now, as you guys know, I've been wanting to do more DIYs. I have a lot of DIY ideas. I just don't have the time to do it, and sometimes I'd rather just make stuff and not make a video for it. But I haven't been doing a DIY lately because I've been enjoying my summer. So what I ended up getting is a ton of the sunflowers. Now, they're starting to come out with the fall stuff. And there was a wreath that I wanted to make. I had so many of my friends on Facebook tag me on it. Be like, Jennifer, you need to make this, you need to make this. And it's like, I do want to make it. I just don't have the sunflowers, and I don't want to spend the money for it. So I ended up getting a whole bunch of sunflowers at the Dollar Tree. Now, these are the autumn ones. So my store looks like, the store I went to looked like they just got them in, and I pretty much took all of them because I don't know how much I need. But I'm going to be doing like one of those pineapple wreaths, so you guys will have to stay tuned for that DIY. But I ended up getting, I think, 8 of them. Yeah, I got 8 of these. So definitely stay tuned for that. Otherwise, if I don't use all of them, I could always just put some in a vase because I do like sunflowers. So I thought that would be pretty cool to do some DIY with stuff like that. Now, I ended up getting this little styrofoam thing. Now, I'm not going to use it for swimming. I'm actually going to use it for that wreath that I got to stick the flowers in. And I read on where that somebody thought this was really good to use because then it kind of bounces out. So I ended up getting this, and if it doesn't work in my favor, I wasted $1. So definitely going to use that for my DIY. I found these butterfly stickers. I thought these were so cute, and I'm like, what can I make with this? And if I can't make something with this, I'm like, what can I do with these? But they're so cute. There's butterflies on both sides, and I am a hardcore butterfly fan. I love butterflies. So definitely wanted to see what I could do with these. I mean, yeah, you could put them on your wall. I don't really put stuff on my walls for this kind of stuff, but I thought maybe I could figure out like some kind of project. This is a repeat buy. I buy these pretty much every time I go to the Dollar Tree. When I do see them, they're not always there. But they are the Stouffer's animal crackers. I love these animal crackers. Walmart sells the same kind, but I'm always eating these animal crackers. They're a great snack. They're kind of a bland taste, but you know what? I really like them, and they work wonders. So, you want some? You want me to open them for you? Yeah, and Benjamin likes animal crackers too, so.
And these are fireworks?
Those aren't fireworks.
Why?
Because those aren't fireworks. So, as you guys know, Ben is having a birthday party in September. And as you guys was watching my Walgreens haul, I went crazy over Easter eggs because we are having an Easter egg hunt for his party. I probably got like 100 eggs. I don't even know how much I got. I got a whole thing of eggs, and I ended up getting baskets for the kids to go Easter egg hunting. So they'll be going Easter egg hunting for his birthday party. We're going to rent out a park, and this has got a huge field. And so now I've been slowly trying to find stuff to put inside his the eggs, and I'm like, okay, what can I get? Now I wasn't sure if these are going to fit, but I'm going to test them out, and if they do, I might get another pack. But these are the kaleidoscopes. Or no, they're not the kaleidoscope. Well, they could be a kaleidoscope, but I thought these would be kind of cute, and it comes in a 6-pack. There's probably going to be like 8 or 10 kids at his party. So I want to get a lot of variety stuff and not just candy. I want to get like little prizes and things in there. I might put some like quarters and pennies and stuff in there too, but had to get that for his egg hunt. I found some frogs, and one thing I like about these are a 24-pack, so I ended up getting those. I found, now he is having an emoji-themed birthday party, so we do have a lot of the emoji-themed eggs, but we're doing a lot of other things. But I found some emoji-themed bracelets. So there's only 6 of them in here, and I'm like, you know what, bracelets, kids could do something with them. So I got those, and I think I just grabbed whatever they had, because anything emoji I want for his party. I don't know if there's another one in here. I don't think so. But then I also found one thing of emoji yo-yos. So I thought those would be a great little thing for him. I also found some emoji spinners. I don't know if these are going to fit, but if they don't, we'll figure out something. So those, I have 8 of them in there. And then I found these emoji whistles. Now I did find some other kind of whistles, but I'm like, you have to get the emoji ones. So I was so excited. Like, this is a store that had tons of emoji stuff. Otherwise, I haven't found anything, but had to definitely go ahead and get those. And then I also got these little slinkies. I don't know how well, you know, some of this stuff's kind of crappy, but I'm like, you know what? I'll get it. So I got a pack of those, and I'm really hoping that these fit in his, in those eggs too. Otherwise, I do have some big ones if I have to use the big ones. And then, I didn't know this, but like right when you walk in the store, they usually have the item of the week. Now, I thought like they had something for the item of the week, but we ended up finding the Crayola brand chalk. Now, this is a 8-pack of just your regular colors. I was so excited. They even got like a, well, it's purple. No, it's silver, gray. I don't know, but I love chalk, and I can't go wrong for $1 for this brand name chalk. I mean, you can get the regular chalk there too, but this is the brand name stuff. I think it works just the same, but had to get it because I thought it was so cute. They also had a, what is a 6-pack, but this is the duals. So it's got 2 different colors on both sides. So I thought that'd be kind of cool if in case he wants to like switch it up a little bit. So we got that. And then the one thing I was super excited to find were the gigantic chalk. I like the gigantic ones because they don't break as easy. They're easier to grab and all that fun stuff. But these are, again, are the duals. So I thought that'd be a great little thing for him to play with chalk. Like, you can never go wrong with chalk. Never go wrong with chalk. I give away chalk all the time to kids because I like stocked up with chalk at Walgreens like 2 years ago, and we have literally a lifetime supply of chalk. But Ben is obsessed with chalk, so I had to get those with him. But yeah, that was my haul. Not a lot of stuff, but I did find some good stuff that I was looking for, and I was pretty excited to start working on another DIY so I can share with you guys on that. But let me know what you guys think, if I should be on a search for anything for his birthday party. And I will be starting to get some candy and all that stuff. And I think I'm gonna just get some other things, anything I can find to fit in those little bags. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you give this video a thumbs up to let me know you guys enjoyed it. And I will see you guys all next week for another Dollar Tree haul. See you guys later. Bye bye.